Super users assemble! Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to learn about our new knowledge base, Salesforce Knowledge. In this video, we're going to cover what Salesforce Knowledge is and how to create, publish, and edit Salesforce Knowledge articles. A Salesforce Knowledge article is just like an article in a magazine. It's a piece of writing on a particular subject. That subject can be a work process, like creating opportunity, processing income, changing your chatting settings, etc., or it can be something like important information about a key account that would otherwise be lost if a staff member leaves the organization. Once created, these articles then give us a central point where all of our finalized, up-to-date documents live that can be searched directly from within Salesforce itself. In other words, if you don't know how to do something, just ask Salesforce. Only the final, most up-to-date versions of any processes will live on Salesforce. That way you know if it's on Salesforce, it's the truth. If the truth changes, the Salesforce Knowledge article needs to change too. Basically, we're building our own Wikipedia here. However, before everyone can start using Salesforce Knowledge, we need to first create the articles and get them published so they can be searched. That's where the super users come in. Only users with a Salesforce Knowledge license are able to create and publish articles, but all users are able to view them. That doesn't mean that you'll need to rewrite or update the process documents whenever they change. If you've got a Salesforce Knowledge license, you can ask a team member who follows the process to update it. However, it does mean you'll need to upload the new file because others won't be able to do it. Having one central point for all of the documents avoids the possibility of having multiple versions of a process living in different corners of our drive or on local PCs, allowing everyone to work from the same document and be able to find it without sending out a search party. To access Salesforce Knowledge, just click the All Tabs plus symbol and look for Knowledge. It may be easier to add this tab to your navbar so you can access it quickly. Once in the Salesforce Knowledge tab, you'll see a list of the most recent articles, a search bar, a sub-list to view your draft articles, that is, articles that haven't been published yet, a button to create a new article, and some ways to filter and sort the articles to help you find what you're looking for. With the exception of the Create Article button, this is the same page that other users will see when they click the Knowledge tab. Take note of the structure of the articles that are already published. There's a title, a summary, a view score, and a user rating, and under that in tiny writing, the article number, the type of article, and the date it was published. The user score is a rating given by the users based on how useful the article was, and the view score is a measure of the article's relevance based on how many times it's been viewed when it appeared in the search results. To create a new article, you guessed it, just click on the Create Article button. There's only one type of article at the moment, so just choose Knowledge. In the title section, just enter the name of the existing document or choose a descriptive title if it's a new article. The title is the only descriptive field that shows up in the global search results, so it's important to be descriptive. But it's also a searchable field, so the terms you use to describe the document can go a long way in helping people to find what they need. However, the maximum length is 40 characters. Don't worry about the URL field. This is used to point to an external resource, and we want to keep ours internal, so skip that one and Salesforce will fill it in for you. Under the title, there's a space for a more detailed outline of the document in the summary section. This field won't display in the search results if you search via the global search, but will display in the search results if you search from the Knowledge tab. However, it's a searchable field and can help you narrow down the results. Under the summary, you'll see that there's a large text area where you can type up an article and include things like links, videos, pictures, and tables. If you just copy and paste an existing Word document into the article body, the pictures that were embedded in the document won't show up. However, Salesforce Knowledge is able to search the contents of the file you've uploaded, so if there are keywords in the document that can help you find what you're looking for, to search for those. If you're entering a new article and you'd like to enter the information directly into Salesforce without having to upload a file, you can do that here, or just create the file offline and upload it. To upload a file attachment, just click Choose File, navigate to the file you want to upload, either on your PC or on R drive, and click Open. You can choose to rename the file at this point if you'd like, then click Upload. At this point, the article is still in draft status, so you can click Save to save your progress as a draft, Save and Close to save as a draft and close the article for now. Let's click Save and Close. That takes us back to the Knowledge homepage, and to find our newly created draft, just click My Drafts. From here you can click the down arrow and choose Actions, or click the article title to review the contents and publish if you're ready. You can even set it to publish on a certain day if you're planning ahead. To edit an existing article, click the down arrow next to the article and click Edit. Salesforce will ask you what you want to do with the existing article while you edit it, and you can decide this on a case-by-case basis depending on how incorrect the article is and how important the change is. That's pretty much it for Salesforce Knowledge. Thanks for watching, and let's spread that knowledge.